Here we have a 2018 Ford Ranger Wildtrak 4x4 DCB. Now this vehicle comes with 18-inch unmarked alloy wheels, all in excellent condition down there. We also have the wide arch kit. We have the Pride orange exterior paintwork. We have the front lower nudge bar, the LED light, the Raptor style front grille, the front bonnet lip as well. Round to the passenger side, you'll find the side steps along the bottom. We have the grey door mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows. We have the window deflectors as well with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the roof rails just there. We also have the rear canopy as well. And this vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear you'll find the tail light surrounds. We also have the tow bar as well. And this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Let's take a look now at the interior. So inside of here you find the half leather interior. We have the orange stitching, and there's a look at the back seats where you'll find the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there. We also have a 12-volt connectivity just there. On the doors you'll find the brush metal handles. We also have the electric windows as well. Coming into the front you'll find the same half leather interior, again with the orange stitching. However, both of these front seats are heated. We also have the Wildtrak embroidered just there. The driver's side is electrically adjustable as well. On the doors you'll find the electric windows with child lock for the rear. We also have the auto lights just down there, with a multifunctional steering wheel as well. We have auto wipers. There's a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has the likes of sat-nav. We also have DAB radio, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and much more. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. Once this vehicle gets a full valet, we'll do a more in-depth video. Thank you for watching.